There goes Papa. Oh my God, Papa!
Oh, Kim! Kim! Oh, are you okay?
Still in?
Yeah.
I'm just recording in case it breaks and.
Oh, jeez! Righteous! Whoa! Whoa! Come on, come on! No! Didn't jump. I ran. Let's do it again.
I think all the kids up there are free.
Oh my gosh, you alright?
Come on, just as I wanted to eat it. You've got to be kidding me.
I mean, Blake, you act like that creep is like.
Three, two. Oh! Ow!
I can't get it
Oh,
now.
I can't get it. I thought you had all that.
I don't even know if it's not. Oh my God!
Shut you back up.
Doing great, Calls.
No matter what you are.
Oh, God.
Oh, freeze. Oh.
Scout, you better move.
I didn't know it was going to shoot up like that.
Come on! Dang it! He's interested. Give him a minute. He'll come. Oh.
Look at this.
Oh my God.
What the? You excited, Kelsey?
What'd you do to our tree, Chris?
Nothing.
Oh.
I'm gonna show you who's the best noodle slurper in the world.
I found nature's corn dog. Ready?
Can we figure out what happened here? Oh, maybe we'll get a live demonstration. Excuse me. What the heck do you think you're doing?
Daddy said you all were riding your backs in the mud. I guarantee you he has not seen this house, Caliber.
Yes, he has. He's in my back.
Oh yeah, it's on your back. It's
Yeah,
also on your face, in your head.
It was on my face. It's still on my face a little.
Nate, you're. Have you seen the house?
I am so glad you found the love of your life. Oh,
No! My homework! No! My homework! No! No! My homework! No! My homework! My homework! My homework! My homework! Dookie! I'm gonna crush you! My homework! So my homework! This is my homework! This is all my homework! This is my homework!
This boy here.
Piper, your category is animals. Ready? Go. Flamingo.
Yes! Go!
Horse.
Spider? Yes! Spider! Yes!
Narwhal.
Yes, normal! Pelican! Yes!
Whale.
Yes!
Don't rip them off!
crazy. Enough. Joe, help me! Mark! No, don't.
If you walk in the driveway, you wouldn't have this problem.